Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'm gonna do an unboxing video of my first Ipsy delivery. I am super excited to see what's inside of it, so let's take a look. I do love trying out new products, so when I saw Ipsy's advertising on Instagram, I thought that it was a really good value, receiving new products valued over $50 for about 15 including shipping. Wow, and with the first box you also receive a refreshments gift bag, which I guess is Ipsy's line that we are promoting. I also added one add-on, couldn't help myself. Okay, so let's start with taking a look at the GLAM bag itself. The pouch is really lovely. I am definitely gonna use it. I kept it as a secret to myself what I'm gonna get, so I'm really excited to see. First one, Pearlie's Beauty Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream SPF 30, and it's in fair because it's matched to my skin tone. Next one, Tarte Lash Treat Volumizing Mascara. I love Tarte mascara, so yay, thank you so much, Ipsy. Next one, Illuminati Cosmetics Liquid Lip in Symbol, comes in full size and is retailing around $21. Next up, Kinship Bright Wave Energizing and Brightening Eye Cream. Sometimes you do need a good eye cream, so yay, cannot wait to try it. And the last treat from the GLAM bag is Glow on 5th Perfect Detoxifying Mud Mask. I also thought I'm gonna read to you the description on the website because I thought it's really nice. So, in honor of Women's History Month, your or mine March bag pays homage to Aphrodite, goddess of love and beauty, inspired by Greek statues, fashion, and art history. Every detail is designed for you, our modern day muse, to symbolize beauty and the power of women. Thank you, Ipsy. Right, back to the goodies. Next one is the add-on that I picked is a KVD Beauty Good Apple Lightweight Full Coverage Concealer in Light 103. Cannot wait to try it. A good concealer is an essential in anybody's makeup bag. So that's it with the GLAM bag and the add-on. Time to check out the refreshments gift bag. Let's see what's inside of it. Quite a few things inside. Yay! First one, refreshments cleansing face wipes. And also it had this sparkly stickers and a hand cream. Yay! It looks really nice. I love the packaging and the smell is really nice too. What a nice little gift to come with your first order to your subscription. A few additional items to add to your personal care routine and stock your bathroom with some fun new products to try. They say that these bathroom essentials are always made clean, vegan, and are dermatologist tested. Right, so that's it for the unboxing. Hope you enjoyed and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!